Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into Delta Executor, an essential tool for scripting and automation. Let's explore its amazing features. To access all the features of Delta Executor, you'll need a unique key for 2025. But why is this key so important? Let's find out. Now, let's start with a step-by-step guide on how you can download Delta Executor safely and correctly. You can find the official Delta Executor download link on their verified website. Always ensure it's the official source to avoid any risks. Once downloaded, the installation process is straightforward. Follow these simple steps to get it up and running. Next, we'll explain how to generate and obtain your unique Delta Executor key. It's easier than you think. Safety is key. Here are some essential tips to ensure you're using your Delta Executor key securely. If you run into any issues during download or activation, don't worry. We'll go through some common problems and how to fix them. In conclusion, Delta Executor is a powerful tool for automation in 2025. With the steps we've shared today, you're now ready to unlock its full potential. Happy scripting!